Mother help!
I can't help you! Run, run! I can't help him. It's a little dark back there. Let's see. There you are. Probably should run.
Oh, no, not again! I'm not...
That was a far throw. That was a little far. I'm not touching you.
It still worked. I used my Tagnesis on him.
Bap.
No! You didn't say anything.
Oh, I think he's done with it.
I just launched.
Wow.
I can't with the eyes.
What?
Who gets that?
What?
Bye bye.
No
Hello
more.
again.
What?
No!
Bye bye.
You stay over there. Stop! Hold on.
No.
You know what? You know what? Oh, yeah. Hold on.
God damn.
Stop. Hold on.
That was it far.
No.
Let's just try that again. Oh.
I think you throw him a little far.
Stop. Hold
Fucking
on.
Hello. Okay, guys, let's just do what he's doing, so then we have speed to get back to them. He's doing so slow.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta change up something.
Oh, he's changing up something. Oh no.
I just literally put speed and jump all the way to max.
Hey, bud.
No, I was gonna pat him.
No?
No. I just want pat. I just want pat. Where'd he go? Huh.
No.
I just wanted to pat. I'm doing this as a blooper, aka kind of like a secret video. Oh. A secret video. Cause why not? And I haven't done these in a while. So we're going to do this as a secret video. Don't breathe at me like that. Go get your kid.
I don't need no more. because I got him too many times.
Hey, he's right there. Again.
Yeah, I
I
sent
haven't done
my
these
wife.
in a while, so we're gonna do this as a secret video. Yay! There's Dragon again doing this little thing. Hi. Now do I get the pet?
No.
Yeah, sure.
Boop, boop.
No.
I'm happy I got the pet now. I don't think you can
You know
now.
what? You know what? No balls privilege. No ball privilege. No TV privilege either.
Not the TV. Oh.
No hands privilege.
Oh, his hands.
Actually,
No
Actually-
eggs.
hello?
No chest.
No, my hand.
Pop.
Hey, can you stand still?
Oh, Hey! Hey!
Is that supposed to be a barrel or something?
Help.
Nope. Get back in here.
Oh. Hey. He's trapping me. Help.
Father, you look like you're drawing a rocket.
I wish. No, you're never getting out.
Hey. Help me.
Sorry, but that's unbreakable. And you know what? No hands. Ugh. You know what? No TV.
Father, we did this around a lot. I can't take off my head.
well, we're just gonna make sure you can't even connect anymore. No signal now. Funk. I'm turning off the signal now.
No, no,
Funk.
no.
I can't help you. I'm
The
sorry.
way that you draw it, sounds so off. I'm just gonna say that.
Help.
Off.
Help. Hey. Hey. Help.
Get back in there.
Help.
Get back in there.
Help.
Mother, I can't fucking help you.
Help.
You drawing on me.
Wait, would you like it in your head?
Take it back.
No.
Take it back. I would take
You're
it back.
having it part of your soul now. It's part of your machine now.
Oh yes,
I'm
just like
stuck.
the missing
Who is
5 kids
behind me?
in FNAF.
No one.
You know what? I gotta do something about this.
What are you
I gotta
doing?
redraw a little bit.
What are you doing?
I just gotta redraw some of it.
What are you doing?
Making it more stable. You can't jump out, just so you know.
Ow.
There's your little
Ow.
jump.
Ow. Oh man, I gotta get off for a second. Hold up.
Oh no. You gotta go eat.
Huh? No.
Staying still.
I'm
We have some
trying.
pupils. I'm trying to add pupils.
Stop. Leave my eyes alone.
No. No.